Well, we're in Washington, Missouri for a car cruise and just driving along, old gas station and some really nice cars parked out here. So we'll just walk down and take a look. This is I'm not sure what year, 65, 67 Pontiac GTO. Really a nice car. Can't tell if it's original paint. Kind of looks like original paint, but it's hard to say. But a really nice example. And that shifter, if I remember correctly, it might be called like a his and hers shifter, where it's an automatic, but you can also drive it as if it was a manual transmission. So the premise behind it was the wife would drive it as a automatic and the husband would drive it as if it was a stick. And then we got a Camaro SS and then a really clean looking Corvette Stingray. See what year it is. 1970. More examples. So it's a cruise. They're running from the riverfront here in Washington and then down to a restaurant, but it's kind of crowded down there, so I just was driving around. So this is a manual 4-speed. Love the luggage rack on the back and the split bumper. Very clean looking. And look at that bumper. I guess you'd call it a bumperette. I think that was only because the government required a bumper, but that certainly wouldn't do much. I guess it would protect your fiberglass from getting messed up. Then we got a Mustang Mach 1. There's some interesting hood hold down, I guess you would call it. Usually they had a pin, but that's kind of different. This gentleman's trying to back in, so I'm going to keep on moving around. So this is just like an impromptu car show. People are, as I said, headed downtown to the riverfront. And so I just wanted to come out here and shoot. So this is a Chevy 2, which later became the Chevy Nova. And based upon its looks, I would not say this is a factory color. I would say this is a repaint. So anyway, just wanted to shoot a little bit of video just to show beautiful evening and some very nice cars. So we'll catch you on the next video.